Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to upload guys Tecno mobile setting, and today guys I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys lock screen password change setting. How to change lock screen password in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to change your Tecno mobile lock screen password. So how to change lock screen password one by one, step by step we will talk about. So first of all guys, unlock your phone and subscribe the channel. After on phone setting, open your phone security setting. Friends, after phone security setting phase, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friend, how to change lock screen password in Tecno mobile. Open your phone security setting and screen lock setting. After screen lock setting phase, you have pattern lock, draw pattern, you have password, enter password, you have pin password, enter pin to continue. Next, select new password type. You want to use pattern lock on lock screen, so when draw pattern, and again you want to use pin lock password, you want to change your pin, so you can change your pin, enter new pin and you can use it. And you want to use guys name password lock, so friends click here password setting, next option enter password. You can change lock screen password. Friends, I will enter here my name NAMA. Next, and friends remember your password, don't do any mistake, be careful. Confirm. Friends, lock screen, you want to unlock your Tecno mobile, you can unlock your Tecno mobile. Swipe here, oh sorry friends, swipe here. Pin lock will not show, password will show. Friends, enter your name password lock, enter your spelling password. You can unlock your Tecno mobile. Like that friends, we can change name password lock in Tecno mobile. And you have face lock, so friends show your face and you can unlock your Tecno mobile with face lock, and you can unlock your Tecno mobile with new password. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.